Dancin Rascals.
What do you do again? And then you do this, right?
So it's been a while since I made a fishing video, and that's mostly due to the weather. It's been so cold, so I haven't been filming, and I don't want to say that I'm going to start being consistent again until spring, but today I'm out fishing with my girlfriend, and we're currently trying to see who can get a fish first, and she thinks she's getting bit, but I don't believe her.
Okay, it's probably just
You got the bottom? Yes, Way. Well, so you're saying you need help? Shit.
Oh, I got it.
You got a what? Oh, you're gonna win? But I know there's more likely to be fish and you don't. So unless you get a fish real soon, then I don't know. So fish like structure. So like probably close to that wall or next to that branch. But the thing is, if you cast next to that branch, you're probably might get hooked in it out of the bottom. Some snags. You too? Oh man, that's not coming off. Dang it, I think both of us are about to break off. Oh, I think maybe I got off. No, I broke off. No, I didn't, I just lost my worm though. You gotta be kidding.
What?
I cast that far?
Did you cast to the other side?
You see, I'm in the tree. I got out.
Oh my god, you got it out. Oh!
Dang it!
Me. Oh man, does that count?
No! You didn't land it. Oh, I hate my life. Can you just see my worm over the tree right now? Swinging back and forth, can you see that? Yeah, I don't... There we go, this guy. Alright, so we've been fishing for about 16 minutes, says my GoPro, and neither of us have been able to land a fish. Brittany's actually almost landed one, but she lost it, and there I go. Fish on. Looks like a bass. Oh, it's a crappie. No, it's a little largemouth. Alright, there we go. Alright, fish number one and victory. Alright, so fish number one for me for 2021 looks like a largemouth bass or a spotted, I can never tell. Actually, I think it's just a largemouth. There's no rough spot on the tongue. Let's let him go. Up. Oh, I just got hit. Up. Come on. Oh, did he get my worm? Oh, come on, he's coming back. Come. Oh, it's something small. Dang it! No, it's playing with the worm. It's probably small. Just there we go. Fish on. And it is a. All right, fish number two for me. 0 for Brittany. Got a shiner. Let him go. 2-0. I believe in you. Oh man, I can't even. Hopefully they didn't get my worm. No, they didn't.
Whoa. I'm
Stuck?
stuck. That was quick.
Oh, you got bit or you?
I don't know. Oh, I'm bit, I think.
Oh, you got a fish.
I think I got some. Oh my god, that's awesome. It was good.
Yeah, unlock your phone real quick. All right.
Yeah.
Good job, good job. All right, so that's gonna do it for us, and I will catch you on the next one.